Happy New Year to crypto family, and congratulations to all the people who make a great profit in this bull run of crypto, because today we have just surpassed a 1 trillion market cap for the first time in crypto history. And this is really exciting time and good time to take some profit and look into other low cap hidden gem that has some great potential. So today I bring you a low hidden cap, that is Reef Finance. And before going into Reef Finance, what is Reef Finance? I never pick a coin randomly. I do my due diligence on the basis of 5 factor, then I pick a hidden cap. And those 5 factors are: the first one is eco model. The first thing that I see in a low cap hidden gem is what is their eco model, what is the problem, and how they are going to resolve that problem. And the second thing, I see a community partner, because a strong community means a success of the project. I will usually look into who the current cryptocurrency they are partner with. The third thing I see, team, whether the team is capable to deliver on time, and should they have any exposure to blockchain as well. And the fourth thing I see, investors. Are they cryptocurrencies backed by the strong investor? And the fifth thing that I check, daily volume. I try to see a daily trading volume approximately 5 million for 2 to 3 weeks, and then I will pick that coin. So these are the 5 factors that led to choose Reef Finance. So let's move on. What is Reef Finance? It's the first cross-chain DeFi operating system built on PolkaDot. And the good thing about Reef Finance is it is already security audited by Halborn. So Reef basically consists of 3 major components: liquidity aggregator, smart yield farming, and smart asset management. So basically you can say that it is one-stop shop for DeFi related services. But the question comes into mind, how Reef is different from current liquidity aggregator. To understand this, I would like to read the Reef Lite paper, because here, if you go in, I will provide the link in the description. Here they have mentioned how it is. So there are many existing liquidity aggregator in the market, but most of them either trade through centralized exchange such as Binance, or DEX such as Uniswap or Balancer. So here you can see what is the differentiate between Uniswap, Curve, and Balancer. They have their limitation to a particular blockchain, but they can't work with cross-chain. So Reef Finance is basically trying to achieve liquidity into a next level, and it wants to communicate SEX, DEX, or decentralized web to work together, and Ethereum and Polkadot base all DeFi related services to be done through a one-stop shop. So that's what Reef aim is all about. So let's move on to see Reef ecosystem. So you will basically, Reef ecosystem gets liquidity from everywhere, such as centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, or any swap services like Uniswap or SushiSwap. So it's basically work as a bridge between DeFi financial infrastructure like 0x, Kyber network, and between exchanges and trading markets such as Huobi, Binance, and Coinbase. So let's see Reef crypto partner. The first one is Binance. I don't need to explain much about Binance because it's the #1 exchange, and if you are in crypto, you're already familiar with Binance. So it's a great achievement for a low cap project to have a partnership with Binance. Then #2 is Polkadot, a top 3 market cap crypto project from my perspective. At the moment, it is in 6th or 7th range, but I think for longer term, Polkadot will get a great attention from crypto community. The third one is Avalanche. Avalanche is also a really good crypto project. It's basically a top 70 market cap project at the moment. Then Matic Network, DAOfi, and the list goes on. So Reef has a great community partnership already, and once it is listed on more exchange, it has a great potential to grow. Let's see who are the investor of Reef. So NGC, Genesis Block, QCP, WoodStock, and the list goes on. So you can see that the Reef has a strong investors that are backing up. These are all really big investors when it comes to investing in blockchain, solid blockchain projects. So next, let's see how you can earn free Reef. At the moment, there's a Binance Launchpad farming for Reef is going on, and if you have DOT, BNB, or BUSD, you bought any of these projects, you can earn free Reef. So you don't need to buy the Reef if you have any three cryptocurrency like DOT, BNB, and BUSD. Let's see how you can farm and how much you can earn the Reef. If we go into our Binance exchange, just log in. If you don't have any account, you can make a Binance account. It's a really good exchange. Go to these dots, and here is Launchpad. And in Launchpad, you can see there are plenty of projects going on. And here is farming for Reef. So if you have BNB, you come here, go to stake. You can see I already stake around 12 BNB, and you can see this is the reward, free Reef. I already claimed 12 Reef. I claimed these 99 more Reef. So claim successful. Okay, so that's how you can stake BNB. It's approximately 11% yield. When I started, it was around 22%, but with over time, this reduced. And here you can see the farming will end in 14 or 15 more days. All right. So if you have DOT, you can earn around 6.6% yield. I have already staked my dots here to earn free Reef. You can see I already claim around 681 and 267 more Reef. So it's a pretty good reward when it comes to earning free Reef. So if you hold, most of you guys hold these two cryptocurrency, so it's better to come stake here and earn free Reef. And even if you have taken your profit in by take it in instead of Tether, take in BUSD and stake that one and earn approximately 7 to 8% staking reward. The good thing about that is you can redeem anytime. Like for example, if I want to redeem it now, I simply go here and redeem. You don't have to wait any longer. And here you can see for that many, I will get one Reef every hour. All right. So for example, if I want to redeem my BUSD, I simply have to press there. So they don't hold your crypto unless as soon as you redeem, you will see the balance goes back to your wallet. So that's a great thing about redeeming. And here you can see my BUSD come back, and here you can see I have already earned free 1300 free. So I show you again how you can stake. So I have BUSD, come here, press stake, press maximum. You can see the API is approximately over 6%, not bad. It used to be 10 to 11%, but with over time they reduce it, becomes stake, and you successfully staked. So that's a really simple and easy process. Let's see the price prediction for Reef Finance. The current market cap is approximately 31 million. But the ecosystem that the Reef is trying to resolve, and if they successfully deliver cross-chain liquidity issue, I think this project can easily go to top 100 market cap because it has a strong team and great community backup. Plus, they have a really strong partnership with different crypto already. So that's what I think about Reef. Now I want to listen from you guys. What do you guys think about Reef? Please mention in the comment. And if you want me to look into any other cryptocurrency, please mention that cryptocurrency in the comment block below. Happy New Year.